with the viral challenge going on with the pineapple Kool-Aid challenge. I mean, honestly, we're gonna put it together. We ain't buying it from nobody, just being honest with it. So we went out and bought some pineapples. Saves up on the bus. We got some lime, boom, lemon, of course, and then we got Kool-Aid package. And of course, you gotta have your jars. You got your mason jars, and then you got water, of course. You know, can't forget sugar with definitely vanilla.
We're gonna add a little vanilla to ours. Cause that's how we do our Kool-Aid.
Yeah, so we're gonna just go ahead and get straight to it. So we're gonna go ahead and just chop it up, and then so you gonna do the honors and cutting up the pineapples, or should I? So I go ahead and
just get into. We could start off.
So let's go ahead. Pineapple.
So we also doing our own. He's doing his, and I'm doing mine. So pick what color you want. No. You just heard. Okay, that's fine.
I don't much want purple, but I'll take it. I mean, just what I got, like medicine. And only the good one, alright? So pineapples, you don't cut the top off, you just twist, bro. Why? Why are you twisting, you ask? I'm gonna replant this, alright? So now let's get to chopping. Let me go cut it all up.
No, put it on here.
So let me cut it. Now let me, boom.
And I should be putting the get my Kool-Aid together while he's doing that. So I wonder if we're gonna put them in slice or put them in cubes.
You cut them up so they can all fit. I mean,
if not, we have another pineapple over there. If we don't have enough, we just use the other pineapple as well. Shout out to our camera guy.
Definitely, y'all. Any of y'all that's watching in, let me know where you tuned in from. Drop the little.
So this is our first time trying this out. This is trending all over TikTok. So we decided to just try it out, but with fresh fruits. Fresh pineapple, we ain't order it. Went to the store and bought everything. So I'm gonna use my yellow first Kool-Aid. And we're gonna just mix the Kool-Aid in the jar and make a mess. Thanks to Baby, his great ideas. Because I was going to get a whole bunch of bowls, y'all.
Yeah. I do not throw these away neither. I use that for planting. I mean, just to go ahead and water my plants. So yeah,
I'm excited on how this is going to taste.
One of each.
Yeah, make sure you cut that more. You got to cut all that still.
Yeah, there you go.
I got it.
They use real pineapple.
Yeah.
And
Do you want yours in cubes, or you want yours just straight up sliced out?
let's do slice first, and then
You want to put?
I go half cube and half slice. I do mine. Half cube and half slice. So while he's chopping that up, I'm going to just go ahead and add some sugar to mine. How many sugar y'all put in y'all Kool-Aid?
8.
That thing got to be sweet.
No, I'm just playing.
8 cups of sugar.
No, that's crazy.
It's like probably an inch of sugar. And then I taste it as I go. Which one is this? I gotta be careful. Nope, I ain't gonna post it. I ain't gonna
There you go.
Yeah, because we're gonna just squeeze it in. I'm squeezing it in. It ain't gonna be like you want it to be floating. Alright, there, a little floaty.
Alright, so now let me go ahead and add my sugar and my Kool-Aids.
This is a mint.
So, got my Kool-Aid, got my sugar in first.
Let's see which one will be better, y'all. Who's gonna taste the best?
Gotta have Kool-Aid. You without sugar, you ain't got Kool-Aid. So let me.
That's for real.
Gotta have lots of sugar. I don't need that much sugar. The mason jars are too small. Know what I mean?
Yeah, zoom in.
I don't need that much. So I'm just bust half.
I need something to wipe my hands.
So gang, half. Right. All right.
I'll tell you. Go ahead, show his now.
Cheap on hers.
Probably don't need that much either, y'all.
Powder.
Took my blue. I wanted that blue.
How you
purple gonna taste like medicine.
That's why I don't like it. I had to put more sugar on that one.
That purple. No, but I made that juguitos. They didn't taste like medicine. They didn't taste like medicine, right? They didn't taste like medicine.
Quick rinse off. Let's do it. So it's mixed already.
See, most of y'all don't know about putting vanilla in y'all Kool-Aid, but y'all should try it and give it an extra flavor, just a little drop.
Pass that vanilla.
Cause it's a small bottle.
Now, hold that to the side. Grab the water. That's all we need first. That's the base. Ooh, you see that? Y'all see that? Yeah. Tropicana. Get that teaspoon.
Oh, that's a pretty color blue.
Ooh, I know it's mine. Shh,
Ooh, that tangy.
Okay, let's mix it. It turns like the what? It turns like the what? That's right.
It's turning teal now, cause you done put some brown in it.
Don't worry. Now I gotta squeeze my lemon. Ooh.
Mine's a little tangy, so I'm gonna add a little sugar to mine. That lemon.
Pull that tie right here.
I gotta taste it.
My hand.
Ooh. I'm just dipping and dabbing it all because this is ours.
Give the noise.
Oh, he done start. Well, it's gonna be real long.
Top it off. I didn't taste it before I put it in.
False start. Offense. Everyone.
Why?
No,
What? What to tell you? I told you gotta taste it first. You gotta taste it first before you drop them things in.
Let me add just a little more sugar to top it off. You know what I mean? It don't hurt to top it off with a little more sugar.
It's too much. I put too much water in mine.
Hold on. Let me see how this tastes first. It's tangy though.
Billy, give me a cup. So I can pour this little bit of Kool-Aid in.
It's tangy.
I pour too much juice. I pour too much water in mine, y'all.
The way I want it. Yes, sir.
Right, you can.
Yes, sir. Y'all see that? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It do look good though.
Oopsie. Yes, sir. Oops, put it up. Oop, 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 oop. Chopped up.
I might need to
Sliced
put it
up.
back in. Never mind, go ahead.
So I can't top it off right now. Let me squeeze a little more lemon into it. And then.
Yeah.
Shh, I ain't see that. Okay. So now, I'm gonna grab some top, seal it. Wait, I'm gonna get the top on it, to the rim. To the rim. I don't know how it's gonna taste. This one I know it ain't gonna taste too good, but I'm gonna add a little more Kool-Aid to it. I'm gonna
Where my top?
Top's over there. I'm gonna get some saran wrap to wrap it up.
That's what it looking like so far.
But I know it for a fact. Y'all know about perp. Perp don't taste good. That perp don't taste good, y'all. Y'all know how it is. So, add a little more Kool-Aid to the top. Now, I'm gonna go get some saran wrap and seal the thing up. Hold on.
My chunks.
Okay.
Drop them chunks in there.
What are you doing?
This is full, okay? I don't know what he thinking about, but
So what you doing over there?
I don't know. Y'all let us know. Y'all let us know, okay? I need my top. I'm just trying to get my top. That's all good. I try to get my other top.
Yeah,
too.
all mine's already full, so you can't add no extra. That's why I put it to the top.
I ain't add no extra. I was gonna put some liqueur in it, but I was like, no, the kids might want to try it with us tomorrow, so I can't.
Yeah, you can't trust that, brother. BTA, you don't trust any of them.
Me too.
Hold on.
Look at my pineapples!
I like to put my
Yes, the pineapple.
Where's my got it?
All right, so I put a little lemon on mine. I just want to zoom in on my lemon.
Ooh, zoom in.
Give it a little lemon. Put it on this one. And I'm going to also drop another lemon. Because in the beginning, I cut the lemon, forgot to put them in. So I'm going to just push that down in there. It's already tangy.
That's mine right here. You don't see what it look like. Okay, so now I'm sealing this thing up. So y'all can see different colors it turns to.
There's some more pineapple over here.
So let's see what this thing come out to be tomorrow. Oh, the red. I didn't use some of the blue. So. Blue and purple. We got the blue and purple.
All right, guys. So now, this is our products. And before we taste these, we gotta wait what?
24 hours, I guess.
We're gonna wait 24 hours, y'all. So we're gonna taste these in 24 hours. We all gonna test it. See you in 24 hours.
Peace. We're 24 hours later. This is the results. We have our blue that turned to green. Don't tell me why. They got our purple.
It's 48 hours later.
Yeah, 48 hours later. So we have our blue that turned to green. Teal.
That's
you
pretty
have
though.
the purple one is on this side. You got the cherry and you have the lemon. So we're gonna bust it open so you guys can see what it's looking like.
We're gonna test these
and see what it's looking like. Let's go.
Let's test them.
So as you can see, yeah, it colored. Yo, mine's changed color.
Show
So
how
guys, you
pretty
can
mine
see-
look
You see these
as
things?
well.
Pineapple juice down.
And I'm put the lemon in there.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Taste it.
Like that.
Ooh. This is tangy.
Ooh. Bussin' though.
Medicine-y, but great. But good. I like the taste of it.
I'm gonna
So,
take.
Take the pineapple out. It looks
Ooh.
dirty, but it's not.
That
Just look
that
at
little
it.
black.
Oh my god. I don't taste no different, bro. It tastes
Let me try
pineapple.
it.
It tastes pineapple.
Well, that one long.
It looks dirty, but it's
I don't
not.
want that long piece.
It's the long one. It's purple. It don't taste no different. I don't tell you it tastes different. I mean,
Ooh.
I don't know.
It tastes like
wrong. It just tastes like pineapple.
grape Kool-Aid.
Yeah, that's it. Grape Kool-Aid pineapple. So it tastes the blue one. Okay. I see why y'all messed with the blue one.
I might.
I see why y'all messed with the blue one. Yeah. I think 5. It's tangy. 5 though.
That blue one do taste nice.
I see why y'all like the blue one though.
But yours teal.
It's blue. Picture me blue one. You know?
Let's try the red fruit punch.
Did a combo change.
It looks so pretty. Look how pretty that red is.
Red. She got hers
That
down
red
to red.
punch.
It's down with cherry.
Try 'em.
Cherry down. Chopped upside. Oh, got 2. Hold on. Let me see what the cherry tastes like.
You gotta taste this one.
It keep poking up, man. Hold on.
You can't grab one?
No, I'm trying. Oh, there you go. I got one here. Alright. See what it tastes like.
That red one busting. That red one busting.
I give it to y'all with this, okay? Okay? Yeah.
That's busting.
Hands down. I give it to the cherry. Cherry flavor.
Yeah.
Teal second.
That's fruit punch.
Oh, fruit punch. Of course, you know fruit punch. You can't go wrong. Got fruit punch. I give it first. I give it teal second. Let me see what the lemonade tastes like. What it looks like already just there.
Bruh.
Hold on. I'll be
Bruh.
hold on.
I don't know. Bruh.
False start. Offense. Everyone.
Come on now, that lemon busting. That lemon busting. busting, y'all.
It goes in this order. No cap. This
That
is the
lemon is busting.
last. Between them two. Between them two.
Yeah.
Fire. This thing is fire, dude. This thing is fire, dude. But good. It's sweet.
Ooh.
I see why
I keep trying to burp.
this is actually going good. No cap.
Why they going viral?
So yo, no cap, y'all. Y'all comment down below if y'all haven't tried it. What do y'all prefer? Like, honestly, in this order, I'll say this is just how the taste test from first to last.
I put my foot in these Kool-Aid.
It's sugar. I gotta say, yeah, you put your thing in there, boy. Yeah, put your thing in there, boy. The till was tasting great until I just went on that side. Damn. Shut me down.
Guys, if you haven't tried the viral TikTok pineapple Kool-Aid, you should try it. Try of making it freshly.
Yo, don't buy it.
I'm not knocking off those that trying to sell it. Y'all can support them and everything.
Support the hustle, but
Yeah,
yo.
support the hustle. But if possible, make it on your own. It's more fun. And you know, you get to add your own ingredients as you go along with it. So
Now this would have been like a $10, $15 jar. $15 jar. $15 jar. $15 jar, right? The ingredients to make this was $1. What's that? 39 cents for the Kool-Aid pack.
47 cents for the
47
Kool-Aid.
cents for the Kool-Aid pack.
About $2.96 for the pineapples.
And you do the math. Everything else is in the house. I'm just saying.
Yeah. The kids try it
Yo,
out.
no
if they
cap.
wanna
The
try
kids
it
gonna
out.
try it. Man, that thing good though.
It's busting, y'all.
I'm still trying to figure out why am I eating this, but I mean it's not that good, but it's good. So y'all, listen, comment down below. Let me know which ones you like, cause technically I like them all. This is
What
least
color
favorite.
you think is good for you?
But no cap, I think these three here, we did it due diligent. They came, they saw, and they conquered. Came, saw, and conquered, you know? For record sale.
Team Deani or Team Steven?
Hey, hold on. Now, I had a bad flavor. If I wanted something, I would have it up. It's just this flavor here wasn't my
We did it. It was Team Deani or Team Steven. Who made the best flavor? And I guess you liked it both of mine. So
I give it to you, no cap. Yeah,
Thank you.
got that, you know what I'm saying?
thank you. I appreciate it. I put my foot in it. Real good, real good. They real good, y'all. Try it out.
So y'all try it, let me know. Listen, comment down below. Y'all tag it on. Tag your friends if you want to try it along. This is especially what it is. I'm telling you, the ingredients are cheap. It's in your crib.
Try it out at home.
Try it out, man. It's fun.
Share this video, guys.
And the kids will love it, man. They can all get their own job.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, whoever made the best Kool-Aid.
Yeah, they can pick their job.
All right, gang. Till
So
next time.
See you in the next video, guys.
Peace, love, base Greek.